Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the Google Maps Street here on a smartphone. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, this Google Map usually has been installed when you or whenever you have the Android phone here, and also you can install it if it's not installed yet into your smartphone or whenever it's the brand new phone. And after that you can do the login usually with your email because it's already synchronized with your Gmail on the smartphone. And after that we will start to explore how to use this Google Map. For example, I would like to know about the condition of the street in New York or particularly in the Brooklyn. And as you can see that when you type the Brooklyn and search for it, then this will be showing several picture right here about the detail of the city and also give you the list in Brooklyn, the hotel, iconic something in New York, and also the local time that you can adjust it with your present UTC. And after that, if you see that there is the green line on and also the yellow line and the red line here, it indicates that this street is in a condition it's not in a crowd or in a traffic. But if you find that in this street it has the yellow color, it means that the traffic jam is almost really full. And if you see the red one, so it could be really full of traffic jam. And if you would like to see the detail of this street, then you can simply click it. And you can go to this picture that will give you the detail. You can scroll or move it or slide it with your fingers, and this is the look of the condition of this street. Well, it can be until 360. It seems like that a lot of houses in this Brooklyn have already been decorated to commemorate the Christmas. And if you would like to see, for example, this Diker Height Christmas light, then you can simply click it. So as you can see that it says that it is a tourist attraction, and you can see the detail of the picture that already been uploaded by the another user, and also the exact address that already shown here. And also you can give a review for this tourist attraction. And after that, if you would like to see in different way about the city of the Brooklyn, then you can click this button and you can choose the several option right here. If you would like to see the map like a satellite, then you can click this and it will give you the look like in the Wikimapia. It will give you the several or give you the description about the area and also the position exactly about the houses, park, and even the sea right here or the bay. And it will also keep showing you the condition of the street, whether that it is full of traffic jam or it's just like even. And if you would like to see it in different way, then you can go to this terrain. Well, terrain itself, it will show you that this white and almost yellow, it means that the height is not really high, but for this green is almost higher than the sea surface. And you can go to explore about the, for example, the public transit, and you can close. And after that, the traffic, of course, as usual, the bicycling route. As you can see that this green street, it is for the cycle bicycling route. And the 3D, let's see it. You can click this. If you would like to rotate the position, then you can hold it with your two fingers and rotate it, for example. And if you would like to go back into the north, then you can just click it. And after that, you can also view about the street view. Okay, there are a lot of street over here. And also the wildfires. Or the air quality. It says that on the air quality is in good quality. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Google Map if you would like to get more information updated about the traffic jam or the location that you would like to pursue of or address to. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.